I love the stand. Yeah, it looks fantastic, and a lot of people have complimented us on it when they've been to see us. Yes, I love it. Yeah, I think it looks really nice. I didn't design it myself, but everyone said how lovely it looks, and I think it looks great. The graphics, the branding, the light boxes, they're important because that's hopefully creating something that's noticeable, especially from a distance. The colour scheme is really important because that's our branding. Those are our brand colours. I think from the feedback we've had, it's good. I think it's great because if you look around, not many other people have got branded flooring. So I think that's a really nice USP on our stand. On the other side of this, more importantly, I have my laptop, and then I've got one of these screens, so I'm able to book meetings on the laptop. So it serves a utility or purpose, which is great. But no, this is quite nice, and I've had a few pictures taken here, all of us. So it's been a good eye capture piece, if you will. It's ideal because in the past I've literally built the stand myself and had to carry bits in bit by bit. Get it all together, and it's a nightmare. It's much nicer having someone to do that for you, and all I have to do is maybe bring a few bits of collateral with me, like business cards and whatnot, and then get things ready in the morning. So it's nice not having to have that headache, especially on breakdown. I like just being able to walk out of here when the show finishes, and whilst everyone else is struggling with their stand, I can just get in my car and go home, because obviously after 2 days you're pretty exhausted, right? So